Plant FAQs, Philodendron Hastatum. Philodendron Hastatum, unveiling the secrets of the silver sword. Hi everyone, Furbu here. Today, we're diving deep into the world of the captivating Philodendron Hastatum, also known as the silver sword philodendron. This stunning plant has captured the hearts of houseplant enthusiasts with its unique, air-purifying foliage and relatively low-maintenance care requirements. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a curious newcomer, this FAQ will equip you with everything you need to know to cultivate a thriving silver sword philodendron. See more 623 species in genus Philodendron at monsteraholic.com. How much light does a Philodendron Hastatum need? The Philodendron Hastatum thrives in bright, indirect light. Think dappled sunlight filtering through a tree canopy. Direct sunlight can scorch the leaves, so avoid placing your plant in a south-facing window. East or west-facing windows with sheer curtains are ideal. Can a Philodendron Hastatum survive in low light? It can tolerate lower light conditions, but growth will be slower. If your home lacks natural light, consider supplementing with grow lights to maintain its vibrancy. Aim for around 5,000 to 10,000 lux of light for optimal growth. How often should I water my Philodendron Hastatum? The key to watering a Philodendron Hastatum is to avoid extremes. It prefers consistently moist, but not soggy, soil. The best practice is to allow the top inch of soil to dry out completely between waterings. How can I tell if my Philodendron Hastatum is overwatered or underwatered? Drooping, yellowing leaves are signs of overwatering. Reduce watering frequency and allow the soil to dry out more thoroughly. Conversely, wilting or curling leaves indicate underwatering. Give your plant a deep drink until water runs out the drainage holes. What type of soil is best for a Philodendron Hastatum? A well-draining, airy potting mix is crucial. Aroid potting mix, or a combination of potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark will provide the ideal balance of moisture retention and drainage. What size pot should I choose for my Philodendron Hastatum? Select a pot that's only slightly larger than the root ball. Up-potting too soon can lead to root rot. Opt for a pot with drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Does a Philodendron Hastatum need high humidity? While it doesn't strictly require high humidity, it thrives in moderate to high humidity levels, around 50 to 60%. Grouping plants together, using a pebble tray, or running a humidifier can help increase humidity around your Philodendron Hastatum. Can I propagate a Philodendron Hastatum? Absolutely. Stem cuttings are the most common method. Take a healthy stem section with a few nodes, dip it in rooting hormone, optional, and plant it in a well-draining potting mix. Keep the soil moist and provide bright, indirect light. New growth should appear in a few weeks. My Philodendron Hastatum leaves have brown spots. What's wrong? Brown spots can be caused by several factors, including bacterial or fungal infections, sunburn, or underwatering. Isolate the plant, remove affected leaves, and adjust your watering or light conditions accordingly. Are Philodendron Hastatum toxic to pets? Yes. Unfortunately, Philodendron Hastatum is toxic to pets if ingested. Keep it out of reach of curious cats and dogs. How does the Philodendron Hastatum compare to the Philodendron Birkin? Both are stunning philodendrons with unique foliage. The Philodendron Hastatum boasts larger, silvery blue leaves with prominent lobes, while the Birkin has smaller, heart-shaped leaves with contrasting green and cream variegation. Is the Philodendron Hastatum easier to care for than the Monstera deliciosa, Swiss cheese plant? Generally, yes. The Philodendron Hastatum thrives in a wider range of light conditions and requires less frequent watering compared to the Monstera deliciosa, which prefers brighter light and more consistent moisture. Philodendron Glaucophyllum versus Hastatum. For years, I'd been obsessed with the majestic Philodendron Glaucophyllum, its silvery leaves catching the light like moonlight on water. Finally, I snagged a beauty. But then, a friend introduced me to the similar-looking Hastatum, and things got interesting. There's something undeniably special about my Glaucophyllum. The matte, almost powdery silver sheen on its leaves is unlike anything else in my collection. It's a conversation starter every time. Guests can't resist reaching out to touch its velvety texture. It seems content perched on a shelf, its slender form gracefully cascading down. While growth can be a bit slow, each new leaf unfurls like a tiny silver trophy. By following these tips and addressing any concerns promptly, you can ensure your Philodendron Hastatum flourishes for years to come. Feel free to share your experiences and ask any further questions in the comments below. Happy planting!